When are you going to register for classes?
My registration date is next month.
That is terrible.
Yeah, it is very late.
Mine is next week.
Why is your date so early?
I am a student athlete.
Maybe I should play a sport.
Soccer tryouts are tomorrow.
I don't like soccer.
Would you rather have a late registration date?
I actually would.
How many classes did you manage to get?
I only got 2.
I only got 1.
There are too many full classes at this college.
I never get the classes I need.
Have you tried asking the professor for a spot?
That doesn't work all the time.
At this point, we will graduate in 10 years.
That is so early.
What are you talking about?
I think we will graduate in 15 years.
You are funny.
I wish I was a cheerleader.
Why do you want to be one?
Cheerleaders are popular.
Popularity is not important.
If you're popular, everyone knows you.
I think you have been watching too many movies.
No, I have not.
You can be popular in other ways.
What other ways?
You could just be nice to people.
That is so hard.
This is why you are not popular.
Excuse me, Professor. I think there might be an error in my test score.
Sure. Do you think that the total is wrong or that you get something marked wrong that should have been marked right?
I think that the percentage is incorrect.
Let's just go over all of it to double check.
Sure, let's do it.
Here's the answer sheet. Do you see a place where I marked something wrong that should have been right?
I don't see any mistakes.
Okay. Now that we've gotten those straightened out, let's total the score.
Yes, let's total it.
Well, if I total that like this and divide by this number, I get this total. Do you agree?
Yes, you're right.
Well then, we are all straight. Have a good day and thanks for bringing that to my attention. I was wondering how you were going to calculate our final grades.
Grades are based on many things: homework, attendance, quizzes, midterm, and final.
What counts the most?
Actually, I look at all of it, and let's not forget class participation.
Do you grade on a curve or use percentages?
Homework, attendance, and quizzes are 60%. The midterm and final are worth 20% each.
What if we miss something?
I will allow 1 unexcused absence. After that, you need to contact me ahead of time.
Will you tell us if we are failing during this year?
You will be able to track your progress during the year.
Could you tell me if you have ever taken a class from Dr. Miller?
Yes. Are you going to be taking a class from him?
Yes, but I have never taken his class before.
He is very interesting and challenging. Is that what you're looking for?
Yes, that's what I need.
He is really clear on what you need to learn to get a good grade. Are you willing to study hard?
Yes, I guess so.
What I really liked about him is that he was an understanding and friendly teacher. Do you enjoy that in a teacher?
Yes, I had a teacher like that before.
Did you know that he has 20 years teaching experience?
No, I didn't, but that could be a good thing.
Well, take a look at everything and figure out what is best for you. Good luck!